Alright, some more updates on the bus. I don't know if you guys could tell, but we've got it out of the garage and back in and turned around. We got some windows out of it. And we've been working just because I haven't been posting. I've been working. I was waiting on the floor panel for the driver's side, and I was unable to obtain it, so I kind of got a little impatient waiting for Wolfsburg West, and I hooked up with a friend of mine and made some blocks so that way I can stamp out some ribs and make my own floor. So went ahead and did that. They worked out great. My buddy Dave hooked me up. I got a couple of different depths and sizes until we figured it out. So that took a minute, but we got it done, and I was able to finish the floor. So now, as you can see with the clamp sitting right here, I was installing the outside panel of the dog leg for the door, and then next I'm gonna move on down here to finish the rear corner and the center section of the van. Still want to make a battery tray, but I've been pushing through and going. Here's the driver's side of the roof. We've been working on that. Also, I'll put in the slideshow for this week. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the nose. I did some more work on it and the dash as well. Here's the driver's door. I was able to pull off the driver's door and get it pretty much into primer also. So now these three panels right here are ready to flip over, and we're gonna spray the inside door jambs of these also. So that's the progress on those. So sorry for not posting, but we kind of had a holiday week over the Thanksgiving weekend, and I had to deal with that. Put me behind a day, and I just wasn't gonna tape while I was working in somebody else's garage making the blocks. So here it is. I'm gonna put together the slideshow from the still photos so you guys can watch that, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you guys again next time.